In our mind, three qualities are there. In my mind, or all the human beings are equipped with three qualities. In Ayurveda it says Dhi, Dhridi and Smriti. I'll translate it. What is Dhi? Dhi in the sense will have intelligence. We can say it as Dhi. So our intelligent power is Dhi. Second one is Dhridi, that I will say. Third one is Smriti. Smriti is nothing but memory power. So our two qualities are, one is intelligence and third one is memory. What is second one? That is Dhridi. Dhridi in the sense coordination. We can literally say that coordination. What should be done at what time? Actually, children with autistic or autism spectrum disorders are lacking in this area. They are lacking of this Dhridi concept, that is coordination. They are having high intelligence power, high memory power, but they are lacking in the coordination. So we have to correct that defect. Whatever the Dhridi concept is there in Ayurveda, we have to correct that. The link between intelligence and Smriti or memory. The link between intelligence and memory is Dhridi. So as the treatment or remedial measure, we have to treat this defect in the child. That is done only through brain regeneration, not degeneration. Usually sleeping pills, other things are doing literally of reducing the power of the nerves. We have to enhance the nervous system in the proper channel. Hyperactivity is nothing but energy level increase and it is going through different channels. So you have to do regeneration with proper channelized way. That's the main remedial measures that should be done.
What's the treatment in Ayurveda? Any specific food habit want to be followed?
In Ayurveda, the first line of treatment is the defense of the cause. We should stop the cause. And in my hospital, Illam Ayurveda Hospital, since the hospital started, more than, I think, probably more than 50 or 60 cases we have treated till now, mere autistic cases. And the fortunate or unfortunate thing, it has to be said that most of the autism sealed children, we can say that in other sciences, they will, even the slight derangement in the character also, they are saying that that is autistic. That's not correct. And most of the autism cases, what we do in our hospital is say back to nature concept. Because I told what is the defect, you have to find out the defect first. The Dhridi concept, the coordination concept. They should know, if I bring the patient or the child nearby a rose plant, the children should know that it is having thorns. If it prick in my hand, that will pain. That is the coordination or Dhridi concept. So for that, nature is the main thing. Only nature can help, and the whole treatment for autism, 50% of the treatment is done by nature. It's not like giving some medicines and stay in a concrete building and treating. So they should come out and they should be with the nature. They should see the birds, they should see the flower, they should see the thorns, they should see what is going to harm him, what is not harming him. So that should be done by the nature. That's the first thing. And the second thing, 25% is treatment. Whatever medicines, specialized medicines we are giving for treatment, even almost all Ayurveda treatments like Tala Podichil and Shirodhara, everything we are also doing with some special drugs, especially for this autistic children. And the other 25% is doing with the parents. That I used to say the parents that you should not say a single negative word against your child, because usually I have seen almost 80 to 90 cases I have seen till now. Among that, almost 90% of parents are saying that only negative things about his or her children. Means in the home also they should boost them. Even we know, if I say about you how glory that you are having and how beautiful you are, how your mind will be. And if I say, oh, why, what happened, you are very ugly looking, why your skin are like blackish, you feel some narrow mind. This feeling is 100 times more in autistic children. So we should boost them. Anyway, these children are specially cared children, in the sense they are having special characters, not like they are below some line. Actually they are above our ability. So we have to find that ability, we have to boost the child, then only that character will come up. That's why in when I used to go to church also, in church we will say that praise the Lord. What is praise the Lord? We have to praise the Lord so that that quality will increase in our mind as well as those who are hearing also. So that praising itself is a line of treatment. So for autistic children, the treatment will be 50% of whatever the remedy or precaution to be taken care of. Nature is going to treat, medicines will going to treat, parents are treating, and the other things mainly are food habits. It's almost all cases, 2 of the cases I have let them discharged because of not seeing or not taking care of the food habits. You have to take care of the food habits. Mostly in Ayurveda we will say Rajasiga food, means those food which are making them aggressive. Some food habits are there. So we have to avoid that food habits. Then only these children can be reversed. By God's grace, I can say that 4 or 5 children those are treated after 2-3 years. Anyway, yearly treatment is needed for almost 3 years. After 3 years, almost 4 to 5 cases they have joined in normal school. It's not my miracle, but God's grace. Because all these things should come in a rapport. Food, parents, treatment, God's grace. God's grace, I can say it's a karma. In the sense, some parents are bringing their child at the age of 2.5 years. Some parents bring their children in the age of 10 years because they are hearing about this treatment center at the age of 10 only. So that parents or these parents are having that much karma to face till this 10 years. Some parents are bringing them in the age of 2.5 years. So they are having that karma to face all this because parents are affecting almost 90% than the children. So that parent has to face these many difficulties only 2.5 years. So time is important to get the treatment, to get good treatment.